What are machines? Machines are things made by man. They make our work easy. They also save our time. Some machines need electricity to work and some do not. We use many machines in our daily life. Some examples of machines are given below. Refrigerator.
Our refrigerator keeps our food fresh. It also keeps water cool. It also gives us ice.
Washing machine. A washing machine helps us to wash clothes. Television. A television is used for entertainment. We can watch movies, news, sports, and cartoons on TV. Mobile phone. We use a telephone or a mobile phone to talk to people who are far away. Car. Car, buses, aeroplanes, and trains are used for traveling.